You see, I think every man should know how to cook. Imagine a situation like this where we say, me and my wife, mama no day. My wife no get mama, me I no get mama. How it for be? Wahala for day. So this is how I made Oda soup with yam. Okay? So I made mine different. I added liver. This is the Oda. This one is the Oziza seed. And please, if you know the name of this thing, just drop it at the comment section and win 5K. All right, guys. So I don't put everything together, kind of put for fire. Just went back to just refreshing up. Came back again, lights down, off. If you say the gas don't finish, sometimes old things do serve, you understand? So I remember my old gas, I just go carry and go put them on. Then quickly grinded everything. The soup is ready, as you can see, with yam. So I quickly dashed out. Make I go serve my wife, making chop, you understand? So immediately I left. Getting to the hospital, my wife is already waiting. She's so hungry. So you don't see me, don't smile, you don't happy. And here is my little angel, and Chika, Woto. You remember her now? Yeah, she's here. So the next minute, my wife don't eat everything. She don't come relax, you understand? Her body don't calm down, All right, the next day, I got there another one. This time around, I made pepper soup with Oda and rice. Man, very, very yummy. Kudos to all the guys who sabi cook there. One love, guys.